Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 update stuck at 0%. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows is not getting update and it is stuck on 0%, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. The first method is click on this search menu or start menu, then type here settings. Click on the settings. Then type here troubleshoot. You can see a troubleshoot setting. Click on this. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find Windows update. Just click on run and it will detect and fixes if there is any issue with this. After trying still you are facing the issue, and close this window. Try the second method. Click on this search menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this you have to find Windows update. You can see here Windows update, right click on that. Click on properties. You can see here startup type, it should be automatic. Then click on start. Click on apply, then click OK. After that you have to make sure that right click on that, then click on restart. After that check your PC after restart and try to update it. After doing this still you are facing the issue, then try the third and final method. Just you have to open the CMD, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here what you have to do, you have to type net stop WUAUSERV, then hit enter. You can see the P letter was missing, so it's showing error. After typing this, let hit enter. Now try the second method. Now type the second command, that is net stop bits. Net space stop bits. Hit enter. Now what you have to do, just open the file explorer, go to C drive, click on this PC and go to C drive, then go to Windows folder. Here you need to find software distribution. You can see here software distribution, double click and open, select all, then press shift and delete. It will delete permanently. After deleting, just close this window, come to the command prompt again, then type here net start WUAUSERV, then hit enter. Now type the second command, net start bits. Hit enter. After seeing this message successfully, then close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, then try to update your PC. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 update stuck at 0%. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.